Okay, we're here today for a little bit of training on a soda machine to show just the basics of how a soda machine works and how to fill one. Outside's obvious, everyone knows about this, the buttons you use to push for your product, and it will also show the price of the item when you push the button. Coins, dollar bills, key right here, unlock, unscrew to the left. All right, here we have the service door, which really the only thing that you will need to do in here is initially a roll of quarters, a roll of nickels, a roll of dimes. That makes sure when your people come up to buy a soda, they get their change back. So right in this little hole right here, a roll and a roll and a roll, and it tells you which ones. Up here, you'll see where the dollar bills go. After the customer uses the machine, they stack up inside here. You just reach in here, get your dollars out when you service the machine. Your coins go in this box. That's after the machine is full. After it fills, these tubes right here, the coins will automatically go into the coin box. Okay, that's about it for there. Inside the machine, this piece opens up so you can load the product. That one has a hole in it. We'll get rid of it. Make sure when you load straight across like here and here. Don't stack them up higher on one side like this, because when they fall over, they'll jam the machine. It's really self-explanatory. You just put whatever's in the machine on top and fill the machine up. Do not get too tight up here on top. Leave it up to about right in here somewhere, because it does have to cycle, and it'll raise the bottle up and you'll jam if you've got one in here too tight. So make sure you leave a little bit of room there. The numbers will correspond with the numbers inside the machine. You'll see here where they're numbered, they correspond with the buttons on the outside of the machine. You can see right here, this row is what's known as a double row. It will hold twice as many. You see they're stacked side by side. It'll hold twice as many as the single rows. This is where you want to put your best sellers, obviously, because it holds more product. Fill the machine. Like I say, don't go any higher than this right here. When you get finished, step back over in the middle so you won't have any accidents with the product falling over against your door here and causing a jam. And that is about it. Other than closing the machine, always make sure that you've got some pressure on the door. That way it will go into the hole.